Hi guys, we're out with the DJI Mavic 3 apparently today, as of today, July 1st, which is Canada Day. Happy Canada Day. Now, the RC controller that we have here for the Mini 3 apparently will now fly the Mavic 3. So we haven't done it yet, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the Mavic and we're going to turn on this controller and see if they can pair up. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now what I did do is I did turn the controller on this morning, and it did say there was a firmware update, and the DJI Fly app is now 1.6.8, and it did update that, so that's going to be important that you do that on the controller. Anyways, connection guide, let's click on that. Okay, it's showing the DJI. Let's record the screen. Okay, so we're gonna record the screen. Okay, it shows the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and if we scroll, there you go, there's the DJI Mavic 3. So let's click on that. Okay, firmware version inconsistent, update firmware. Okay, continue. It says it's updating the firmware. Firmware update complete. Relink the remote controller to aircraft if remote controller restarts. Okay. So, slide the battery and press the power. Unable to connect. Okay, so let's turn the controller off. Okay, so let's turn the controller off. Okay, and let's restart. Let's restart the Mavic. Okay, so we've restarted the Mavic. Now we're gonna restart the controller. Let's see if she's gonna connect. Okay, it says it's searching for the aircraft. Unable to connect. Okay, so let's shut the controller off again. Okay, now we have the Mavic on. Let's press and hold for 4 seconds. Should put it into binding mode. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's turn on the controller and let's see if the controller is going to find the Mavic. it's not finding the Mavic. Okay, let's click the Mavic. It says searching for the aircraft. Unable to connect to aircraft. Okay, pair. Okay. Okay, enable. Thank you for AirSense. Change connected device not bound to aircraft. You may continue flying with the connected device 5 times. Connect to your bound device. Okay, change bound device. Next. Confirm. Binding successful. Okay, let's close that. Okay, enable. Okay, so okay, that looks pretty good. Okay guys, it looks like we are connected to the DJI Mavic 3. Let's try and do a takeoff and let's see what happens. Showing 9 satellites. We'll click record. It's recording. Okay, let's we're gonna try a takeoff. Okay guys, as you can see, there's the Mavic, and we're rotating it. Okay guys, she's definitely controlling the Mavic 3, and this is great. This is great having this on the screen here. This is super. Okay, let's take her up. Let's see, how are we for battery? Okay, we got full battery. Okay, so well, we still haven't got a home point yet, so let's wait for a home point. She's at 12 satellites. Home point is updated. Okay, so let's take her up. Okay, now apparently over at the park, they have a big stage set up and they have music, everything happening. Okay, I want to try out the zoom. Okay, RC signal interference. We're only 86 meters away, so I'm not sure. I have had this issue with some other drones in this area with interference. But anyways, let's try and do a zoom. Oh, the zoom is working. We're gonna, oh, there's lots of people in the park. Look at that. That's a 3x zoom. Okay, let's click. Okay, well, let's stop recording. And let's click the other 7x zoom. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, let's see if the 28x zoom is going to work on this. So let's try the 28x zoom. Oh wow, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Right on stage. Right on stage. It's a little bit breezy today. And of course, this celebration here is for Canada Day. Look at all the tables that are set up. Wow, lots of people. Lots of people. Lots of people, guys. And this is really nice, you know. This is really nice having the Mini 3 controller for the Mavic 3. This is really good. We're getting interference again. Look at all the people there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yep, it's Canada Day. This is a celebration. This is amazing, you know. This is absolutely amazing. And we're 86 meters away. You know, this is really, really cool. We're able to look around the whole park there. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Hello. We're at 22.5x. See some tall clowns over there. RC interference.